What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a revival that is honestly making me want to pack a bag, grab a surfboard, and hit the open road. We are talking about the return of the ultimate peace and love machine, the 2027 Volkswagen Samba Bus. Now, we've seen the ID. Buzz making waves recently, but for 2027, Volkswagen is leaning even harder into that classic Samba heritage. If you remember the original from the 60s, it was famous for those tiny panoramic windows along the roofline and that massive folding sunroof. Well, the 2027 model takes all that nostalgia and pairs it with some seriously impressive modern tech. First, let's talk about that look. It is unmistakably a bus. It has that iconic V-shape on the front with a massive VW logo that actually lights up now. But the 2027 Samba edition brings back the legendary two-tone paint jobs and, yes, those beautiful skylight windows that wrap around the roof. It's got a much cleaner, more aerodynamic shape than the boxy vans of old, but it still feels like it has a soul. It's friendly, it's bold, and it's going to turn heads at every single campsite. Now, let's get into what's moving this thing. While the standard version is fully electric, the big news for 2027 is the rumored high-efficiency hybrid powertrain. This is perfect for those of you who want the eco-friendly benefits for city driving but don't want to worry about charging stations when you're deep in the national parks. You're getting that instant electric torque for quick starts, combined with a gas engine that gives you a massive total range. It's the best of both worlds for a vehicle built for long-haul adventures. And speaking of adventures, this isn't just a pavement princess. The 2027 Samba is expected to feature a rugged, all-track, or off-road inspired trim. We're looking at a slightly lifted suspension, underbody protection, and VW's 4Motion all-wheel drive system. It's designed to handle light trails, sandy beaches, and snowy mountain roads with total confidence, making it a legitimate choice for the van life crowd. Inside, it's like a modular living room. The 2027 updates have focused on flexible luxury. The seats can slide, swivel, and even be removed entirely to create a massive flat floor. There's a giant panoramic glass roof that makes the cabin feel incredibly airy, and the dashboard is a masterclass in minimalism. You've got a huge touchscreen for all your navigation and tunes, but they've kept the materials sustainable, think recycled fabrics and vegan leathers that actually feel premium. So, how does it compare to the past? Well, the original Samba was all about the view and the vibes, but let's be honest, it wasn't exactly fast or safe. The 2027 version keeps that incredible visibility and social seating feel but adds 5-star safety tech and enough horsepower to actually pass a truck on the highway. It's the bus we loved, just grown up and ready for the future. Price-wise, the 2027 Samba is definitely positioned as a premium flagship. Expected to start somewhere in the $65,000 to $75,000 range, especially for the high-trim Samba models with all those extra windows and the hybrid setup. The 2027 Samba Bus is more than just a van, it's a statement that the spirit of adventure is alive and well. But I want to know what you guys think. Does the hybrid engine make this the perfect road tripper, or are you sticking with the fully electric ID? Buzz? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this look into the future of the microbus, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the coolest rides coming our way. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.